Alrighty, you guys, so I'm in my house, right? I'm in the living room. Get out that sun because it's gonna wash me out. And we recently moved the crate in here. I'll move it just a little bit so you can see, right? Barbara is on her job. So we moved the crate in the living room, but it's making my living room appear a little small to me, or closed in, boxed in. So what I'm gonna do is, Jackson and I are gonna move this living room around. So what it looks like now will not look like in the next 30 minutes. And we're hopefully, because it's the springtime, spring going into summer, is to open it up just a little bit to make it a little bit more open. I do like to keep it closed in the wintertime, but we're going to take the bookshelves and wipe all the bookshelves down. We're going to have to remove all the books. That'll take a little bit of time, but we're going to move some stuff and get some things done. Thought you guys want to come along and hang out with me and Jackson while we're working. He is not very... What is that face, Jackson? Is there a face? No. He does not want to be helping Mom right now. He's like, really, Mom? Really? Got to be done, brother. Got to be done. Love you. Mean it. All the things. Hang out with us. Jack, so what I want to do, let's move these two things in there, in the kitchen, because... Oh, I got to do it. Dang it. I had to do that Maybe Once video. Get it down here. Gallery wall. Trying to figure this gallery wall out. I think it'll be fine. I'm gonna have to change this time though, because that time is wrong. And I may have to move these three things, but I think we'll be okay. We'll be fine. Roll this, Jack. Roll that way. Okay, thank you.
Move it off the carpet?
All the way off the carpet. And then if you'll come and grab one end of this. Perfect. Grab one end of this, it's going over there in the hallway. Go that way. So it'll already be turned to the hallway. Watch the wall. Okay. Climb over. Climb over. Okay, this couch, let's move it that way, over there, that way. Up. Oh, turn. Ouch. Back, back. Because I gotta move the bookshelf. Look at all the stuff under here. What in the devil? I'm not even asking. Neither am I going to ask why this is not empty. Jump over. Jump on it. Jump over, baby. You got to jump over. There's no way you can. Alrighty, y'all, so we're done. We have had the couch like this before, or the couches. I feel like it just really opens up the living room, especially for the spring. I'm thinking about taking down the blue curtains and just leaving the shears there, but I didn't take them down this time. So we simply just move the couches from here over here, which gives it a clear flow to walk through. And there's a lot more space now where the kennel is, or the crate is. And then an open pathway, and then I can actually get to my office if I need to. So I'll probably be working in here a little bit more. Let's see, move the books that were on here to there, because we put a lamp here, because we had to off-center the TV a little bit because of that gallery wall. So because of that clock, the way that clock is sitting, we needed the TV to be right underneath it, or it would bother me. So I offset it a little bit and put that lamp there. That lamp actually was supposed to go on this table, but I took one for the team. So again, you know, this is now what it looks like just looking into the living room. Totally different. Still have the gallery wall. Still have the 2 bookshelves. They're just not butted up against that buffet. And it all works out. The only other thing I did was made sure that I wiped everything down. We used that Fabuloso. Smells really good in here. I don't have any candles going except that one little tiny one on the, and it's like at the end. So I just wanted to make sure that everything smelled good in here, that it looks good. We can flow and everybody can walk through. Like I said, I really like now being able to get to my office if I need to. So if I need to come over here and do some work, I'm able. I can actually pull the table down, put a chair there, whatever I need to do. So there it is, you guys, a little bit of cleaning motivation, me and Jackson, because Alana is working. We did some laundry. I got some clothes there that I need to take to the Goodwill. Yeah, but we're done. I'm tired. And that water was nasty. All the dust, all the pollen is coming in now, so it was just really nasty. We just needed to do it. I probably do it twice a year. It's kind of a little bit of a spring clean just in this one particular room. Over here, I've got to put some stuff in that cabinet. That's why that's open. Anywho, there it is. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you like the video, thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe. Let us know what you're doing for your spring cleaning. We do look forward to seeing you again, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.